said I wouldn't modify the Tesla Model 3. I've got plenty of other modified cars to work on, but sometimes I just can't help myself. What we've got here is a delivery from EVBASE, a set of carbon fibre mirror covers for the Tesla Model 3. These are purely a cosmetic item. They add a tiny bit of weight, about 100 grams or so, but actually no, they do add a bit of protection for the mirrors too. I've actually put some PPF on this car and on the mirrors because I do a bit of long distance driving, but I could never get the PPF to look good around the mirrors because of all the curvatures. So the carbon fibre mirror covers will actually provide some protection, and they look really cool too. These are genuine carbon fibre mirror covers. They're not a plastic printed cheap Temu sort of cover. Real genuine carbon fibre, so there's at least that to look forward to. The great thing about ordering from EVBASE is that they'll ship anywhere in the world. I'm here in Melbourne, Australia, and I got my package delivered under a week, I think, from the order time. If you have a good look at the carbon fibre mirror, the weave is really nice and even. The finish is smooth. Yeah, really good quality. Extra double-sided tape provided in the package as well. So what we're going to do now, we're going to pull off the PPF, give the mirrors a bit of a clean, and get them on the car. Now that the PPF is off, we're going to clean the mirror. I've got a bit of what's called prep solvent, good if you're painting your car. You probably actually don't need something this strong or this professional to clean the mirror. Just give it a really good wash, make sure there's no dirt, grime or anything left behind. Now that the mirror is all clean and dry, we can now apply the carbon fibre mirror cover. It already comes with some double-sided tape already applied, so pretty simple to remove. And once we've taken all the tape off, don't forget that one, like so, all we have to do is position it over the original mirror, press it firmly into place, wow, love it. You can get this in matte carbon fibre like this. You can also get it in a glossy carbon fibre. I don't know, I just kind of like the matte look. Maybe a little bit more subtle. Same thing again for the other side mirror. Make sure you get all the tape off. Simple as that. Clean your mirror up, take the double-sided tape off the mirror cover, slap it on top, and you're done. Very simple, very easy to do. I reckon it looks great. It does break up the white and the black and the matte appearance I really love. It also does add protection to your car. If you're going on drive, you'll notice a lot of bugs getting on your mirrors. But if it happens, you can just wipe it off cleanly, and if your mirror gets damaged, you can take these covers off and you're back to the original cover underneath. Another great product from EVBASE. I've had a few products from them. I've reviewed them in my other videos, so click around to have a look at them too. And I love how it looks on my Model 3. The other thing too is if I hit the lock button, you can see it still rotates and nothing is interfered with the factory setting. So if you're interested in these carbon fibre mirror covers or anything else from EVBASE, I'll put a link to the product in the description below, and maybe even a discount code if there's one available for you too. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next modification EV video.